So I'm on my way to the airport, and guess who I see, okay? All right? Take a look right here, all right? There's a doe, a young doe, all right? And a female, all right? And they're just trucking along the neighborhood here in Kelowna, British Columbia, okay? And now I'm on my way to the airport, and I will be flying to Vancouver Island, and I will be doing a professional training for some professional health people. And I'll be there for a few days, and then I'm going to be headed to Calgary to do a New World Practitioner training. So you might want to check us out at BHN University and check out what's called our Whole Life Coach certification and also our Wolf Non-Surgical certification. And then we have a 3-day course for women that's called Pelvic Restoration, okay? We'll be teaching this up in Airdrie, and it's starting on the 12th of August. That's when I start with my 9-day course. And then after I finish there, I leave for Australia to teach in Coffs Harbour. And it's amazing. We're going to go to Coffs Harbour. We're teaching on the cliffs of Australia, okay? And it's a really beautiful thing we've been doing. We've been doing a world tour now for 6 months. And after we finish the world tour, we're going to be going to Puerto Rico to set up our university and to set up our clinic, all right? We're setting up a brand new clinic there in Puerto Rico. Anyways, have the best day of your life. Good morning, and keep a smile on your face. Bye now.